Okay, here I am, folks. I have not yet sewed my blocks together. I'm embarking on another project, and I got really excited. I got a package, and I thought it was from the place where I ordered my fabric from, and it wasn't. It was something else. I was so bummed. I'm like, what? So I'm gonna do my blocks, but I can't get right into it until I get my border fabric. So you saw this, my last video. But look, I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing, what's under my needle. What is that? What is that? What is it? Tell me what it is. Look what I've made. You're going to be proud of me. I don't love it, but it's pretty. It's a blue quilt. I am making a blue quilt. Actually, it's not a big quilt. You know, I'm me. I always make big quilts, but I'm like, I don't want to make a big blue quilt. But you'll see it when it's all done. I'm in the process of quilting it. It's just applique hearts, 4-patch, like a patchwork heart with a 4-patch. But I wanted to show you that I can step out of my box and make a blue quilt. So that is what I'm quilting right now. I'll be showing that to you. Very simple quilt because I didn't want to embark on some huge, great big thing. So there's my blue quilt. And in the meantime, I'm looking forward to getting my fabric. Hopefully it will come tomorrow because I ordered it. Yeah, I ordered it. This is another. I bought some other charm squares from that company. So anyway, that came, which I'm all excited about. But so these are my blocks that I'm going to have to put together when I get my border fabric. So I will show you that. And there, my blue quilt. Look at that for you blue people. Aren't you proud of me?